Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given A, B, C, D as a parallelogram. And we are also given some of the dimensions of the parallelogram and also the perimeter of this parallelogram. So I would then be able to find the length of AB pretty easily, since I know that it is a parallelogram. So for this case, I will have my 32. So the length of AB is simply equals to the length 32. I will have to minus away the 10 and the 10. And after that, I divide by 2. Yeah? Because DC and AB, they are equal to each other. They are the sides of a parallelogram. Because they are opposite sides of parallelogram. And this gives us 6 cm. Now that I know this is 6 cm, I will then be able to find the area of parallelogram ABCD pretty easily. Since I have the base 6, I also have the height 6. Since they are perpendicular to each other, and if you cannot see it, and therefore for part B, the area of ABCD is therefore equals to base times height 36 cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.